Why are there not more people talking about Chevy Colorado's adaptive cruise control not working? This is way more common than you think. Let's figure out what's going on. Adaptive cruise control is supposed to make driving easier, but when it refuses to work, it's super frustrating. Here's a quick step-by-step on what you can do if your Chevy Colorado's adaptive cruise control isn't kicking in. First, check for any warning lights or messages on your dash. Sometimes all it takes is a quick restart of your vehicle to clear a glitch. Next, look at your front grille. The adaptive cruise control sensor can get blocked by dirt, bugs, or even snow. Give it a gentle clean and see if that solves it. If you recently had a windshield replacement or front-end repair, the sensor might need to be recalibrated by a pro. Also, make sure nothing is blocking your windshield near the rear view mirror where some sensors are located. Still no luck? Sometimes software updates from the dealer are needed to fix bugs or improve the system. And remember, adaptive cruise control won't work in certain conditions, like heavy rain, fog, or when lane markings are unclear. If you've tried these steps and it's still not working, it might be time to visit your Chevy dealer for a deeper check. Don't ignore it. Safety tech is awesome, but only when it works.